Hey guys, this is Stardust here. Welcome back to Sakeena Video's YouTube channel. And good news, my blue nose is recovering. Yay, girl. Yeah. And another good news, no voices in this video, so that's great. Today we're going to see what's inside Sakeena's handbag. Yeah. Let's go check it out. It's from Spiggles. Sometimes it's hard to get the button, so we may need Sakeena help with this. It's actually good fiddling. Okay, first we have tissues. Why does Sakeena have tissues? Well, the reason I have tissue is I always have a cold. Like now? Yeah. Okay. Right. Very interesting. Yeah. Then we have sunglasses. Ooh la la. What color she has? Well, let's try to find it out. I hope she has pink. Well, same. OMG! Sakeena, you have pretty... Well, it's expensive. Like, it costs about $1,000. Holy ula, holy ula, hiula, hiula. Oh my gosh. I love it. Literally. Well, anyways, and this is a cheetah cover. Yes, this is my mom's, or I should say my mom is Miranda Sings. Oh, now then we have a stone. Yeah, did I just lay eggs? I don't think cats lay eggs. Search it up in the random device. You know, whatever. Yeah. This is an egg. It's a stone. It says a secret message. Let's get a close up. If you can try to read this, well, please let me know. Comment down below. Then we have pencils. Why do you have coloring pencils? Because I love coloring. And I don't know if I got this from the plane, from my vacation, or I just got it from my BFF. Yeah. Then we have lip gloss. Great. This keeps you nice and moisture. Then a pet shop. Okay. What else? What the heck? What the heck? One yum yums? Pardon me. Waddles! Sakeena, why do you have waddles in your bag? Yeah. Well, I don't know. And why is eating my candies? Those candies expired. Oh! Get out of this video, Waddles. No! And we have a tattoo. No, that's a sticker. I thought this is a tattoo. It's a sticker. A tattoo. A sticker. A tattoo. Sticker. Tattoo. Sticker. Tattoo. Sticker. Fine. Comment down below if this is a sticker or this is a tattoo. Okay. And yeah, we're done with this bag. Now we're going on this. This is kind of look like a purse. Sequins. Oh, it's 11th edition. Holy Eula. Holy Eula. Now let's look Look at this. Ooh la la. Okay. It's gonna hurt. It's quite hard. Tricky. What do you have in this? Nothing. Okay, we need to find it. Then the second zip. Credit cards? Yeah, we're gonna take out only some. Okay. That's really interesting. Credit cards. But those credit cards expired. I just keep them in the cargo. Wait, I need to focus on this zipper. I'm gonna don't! Let's distract them! Who just fought? Me! Banana party! Banana party! Banana party! What a fucking darling kill ya. Guys, I'm guessing my money's just in there, so I'm sorry. You can't see it. What? Yeah, otherwise people's gonna steal my money. So yeah, that's all we have. Can I be in this video, please? Since you didn't make that annoying, we'll give you very nice. We'll give you permission, and if you start farting, because you already farted in the video, oh! So, yeah, and you won't fart with joy. Our answer would be, maybe not! Well, yes. Yay! What I said. Oh. Okay, see you soon, and, well, TTYL, bye! Sakeena, Sakeena, Beanie Boo. Yay! What? You didn't say bye. You said you like me, I only tell my mom, I only like my bed and my mom, don't be sad.